Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do more of a casual vlog style. My husband and I just moved to our new apartment and we've been getting so much furniture to decorate it up. We have not necessarily more room now or more square footage, but the room is kind of set up very efficiently so that we actually have 2 rooms, a den and a bedroom, a balcony and an island kitchen, things that we didn't have before. Before we were just in a 1-bedroom apartment with no extra frills. I've been really getting into home decorating and designing, so I wanted to show you guys some furniture and fixtures that we bought to jazz up our home and maybe give you some inspiration if you're looking to decorate your home. Okay, I'll take you on a little walking tour. If you want like a full tour when we're all done with the space, let me know if that would be something that'd be interesting to you. All right, let's go around the apartment. This plush purple lavender armchair is mine. It is the Parmelee wingback chair and it's on sale right now. It's $196. I got it from Wayfair and it's super comfy. The bottom cushion is pretty soft. It's not like a pillow material, but it's soft enough on your butt. And the back is really nice to lean against. I really want to use this armchair for reading or to think of video ideas or just to relax. It has a really nice view of the balcony actually, since the balcony is through this room's window. I'm actually going to add pillows and make it more cozy, so I'll show you guys what that looks like a little later as well. But so far I'm loving the color, it's comfortable. I hope it helps me generate some good ideas for videos. You'll be seeing a lot more of this armchair when I do kind of more of my sit down videos. Any glimpses of my mess, still cleaning up and decorating. But next up is this lamp that we got from Freddy's or Fred Meyer's, and I believe it was only $30, so not expensive at all. It's really nice. I'm not really sure what it's called. I would call it kind of a triple spotlight lamp. It can shine light to brighten up the room a considerable amount in the evening time, but also shine spotlights because it's kind of modern and sleek design. Using the Philips Hue light bulbs, you can actually control not only how much light is emitted from each of the bulb, you can even do 50% for this third bulb or make this bulb emit 30% light. But you can also change how warm or cold the light is as well. I'll show you a little preview. It's pretty cool. You can optimize the light for whether or not you're working. You can make it more of a fluorescent daylight, or if you're reading, make it more of a soft light so it doesn't bother your eyes too much. Pretty cool that you can insert whatever light bulb you want depending on the scenario you're in. It's not falling apart, so Fred Meyer's is where you can go if you're a college student and you need a cheap lamp in your dorm room. I would head over there and check what they have out. For the first part of this video, I'll stay in the office and talk about fixtures that we have in the office. A duo. This little guy right here is the Amazon Echo Dot 2nd generation with smart speaker. Actually ask little Echo Dot Alexa to open the lights, for example, if she turned on, and the lamp will turn on. The Echo Dot was cheaper on Prime Day, so we got a pretty good deal, and it's just really convenient to have Alexa around to ask her, you know, to play music or what the weather is. What's really useful about Alexa is when I'm taking a shower, for example, I like to use her as a hands-off timer. Putting overtone conditioner in my hair, I can ask her to count down a few minutes so that I can make sure to wash the conditioner off and I don't stain anything. And then I don't have to fumble around to find a timer that I have to press when my hands have dye or color all over them. So Alexa has so many different uses. We'll find more as we build up this office space. Right next to it is this West Elm little light fixture. It's super cute. I love this brush gold color. It matches the sage green color of my desk. This is supposed to be more of an accent lamp. If I turn it on, ooh, it's really bright, but it has this little Edison lamp. And it's just really nice because it gives this soft beam of light that isn't too harsh on your eyes at night to be a nice modern design feature on my desk as well. I don't remember the exact cost of this light fixture, but I believe it was $29. Custom is a little bit more upscale for furniture, but honestly their pieces are very hardy and their style is really classic. As you know, unless you're new to this channel, I'm not a home design person, so my husband and I are just kind of trying to figure things out as we go, but maybe some of these tips or decorations that we've put into place might help you make your home feel more homey home. I guess this would be home decor tips from a real life apartment dweller. I don't know. Let me know if you have a better name. I was taking you guys around the office. Another package came and out I pulled my new side table in this really pretty geometric rose gold pattern. The table part is made of glass. Really excited to start using it. It's a very artsy kind of unique piece. It also matches really well with our hardwood floor, so I'll use this to put any electronics on or drink or my lotion, makeup. Still trying to think about the best way to use this. It was also very hard and sturdy, so I don't think this would be very easy to knock over. I feel like our home is becoming more and more of an art gallery type of space. Next up are these Barstools. We got a set of 4. And these are so cool. Really digging that kind of futuristic but very sophisticated look they have, and they're super comfortable for bar seats. You can see that they're pretty plush. You can believe it, we got all 4 of these for $196, so I believe it was a steal. They actually came in a set of 2, so we had to order 2 pairs of the chairs. Super comfy. See that there's a chrome bottom holding them up, and you can actually adjust the height. So I'll show you what that looks like, but it's really cool depending on the height of the bar table you have. Manipulate the height to whatever you need. Super happy that we have an island so that we can finally utilize bar stools. Have family and friends when they come over be able to sit while we cook and they can snack on the table. Finally, I just wanted to show a piece we've had for a really long time, but since moving, we've had to repurpose since we have an island now and we don't have a need for a bar table to eat or converse. So we've turned it into more of a console. We've kept the chairs underneath, and when my husband works from home, he has his little corner where he has his headphones and can plug in his laptop and stand and work. If you move somewhere and a piece of furniture won't really work in its original form, repurpose it and use it for something else. This is going to be more of a decoration and a keeper of our supplies. This bar table actually came from Etsy. We had the height specially requested from the craftsman that built it, and we made sure that the height of the bar table matched the chairs. I'm in the process of redoing the decoration for this as well, so this isn't final. That's it for a casual mini tour of the new home design elements, the furniture features that we purchased. I'm sorry that there was a loud kind of ambient noise in the background. It's summer in Seattle and our AC is running on full power. I apologize. As we get more furniture in and as we get the balcony all set up and Pinterest perfect, hopefully, I'll create some follow-up videos on this. Any suggestions for me for these different spaces, I'd love to hear it as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this different type of video. It's the first time I've done more of a home decor type of video. Thank you so much for your support, and subscribe if you enjoy watching these videos. I also do videos on style, food, and travel. Stay tuned, more of those are on the way. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye.